inquiries come in for the difference between electrolysis and laser. And we, whenever have time, we try to DM people back as soon as possible, but we thought of making a quick video for all of you. First, let's talk about laser. Laser is hair removal treatment, but it's more of a reduction process than a permanent solution for hair removal. So if somebody, let's say for example, have a very thick hair growth and want to get rid of hair, for sure you can start with laser first, because laser is going to help you reduce the hair treatment, your hair growth, your hair pigment, your hair melanin. But there comes a point when you feel the hair is not going away permanently. There comes a moment where you feel the hair is growing back in the same size. That's the moment where you need to speak to your medical esthetician or your doctor and talk about electrolysis. A lot of clinics over here don't do electrolysis, don't offer electrolysis, and that's why they keep continue making you do laser, which is entirely up to you and the doctor and your mutual understanding if you want to continue so and keep maintaining your hair removal process. But for a permanent solution, let's talk about electrolysis. So let's talk about electrolysis now, as most of you already know what it is, but we've got lots of new followers, alhamdulillah, on our page who actually wanted to know what it is. With electrolysis, we teach each hair follicle with a very fine needle all the way to the root. We cauterize it with heat and current, and that actually kills the ability for the hair to grow faster and thicker. Whenever you wax, thread or pluck, or watching TV, you try to pull your hair, all the blood supply, it runs towards the root and gives you a more healthier plant. So in order to avoid that, please stop pulling your hair. If you haven't decided what treatment to go for, then at home you can just do either trimming or shave your hair till you decide whether you want to go with laser or electrolysis. We do give consultations before the treatment. We do charge for the consultations, but if you go ahead with the treatment on the same day, we adjust the consultation for you. So, and another good news for all of the new people who are interested for the hair removal treatment, we do make packages for hair removal treatment according to your budget. So you don't have to hear us out. You don't have to follow what we are saying when it comes to the treatment plan. You can also give us your budget and we can make the treatment plan according to that. So see you guys all soon. You guys know our number where to reach us out, 0300 9233 890. Give us a call, book your consultation today, and let's get started with your hair removal treatment permanently.